good looking, you're intelligent. Isn't there anything na hindi perfecto sa'yo?
Marami rin. Meron din ako mga ilang faults and flaws sa sarili. Siguro, minsan naging impatient din ako. But I guess that's partly because of my busy schedule, ang daming ginagawa. So, pag meron na hindi na nagagawa on time or pag napapahintay ako, minsan nagiging naiinis din ako. So, ay, patient ako.
Ewan ko alam mo if you're aware na people call you Mr. Perfect.
Sometimes, gusto nila sabihin yun, pero I want to let them know na meron din naman akong maraming mga sarili kong flaws.
Like what?
In terms of, like, yung talent, siguro, hindi ako magaling sumayaw. Hindi ako marunong kumanta.
Hindi bale na. Kung ganito naman siya, kagaling humawak ng bola. Kilala si Chris bilang mahusay na guard at sa kanyang 3-point shot.
I'm not the quickest, I'm not the highest leaper, pero siguro ginagamit ko ng utak ko pag naglalaro ako at saka yung shooting ko sa labas. Kung hindi ka sa 3 points.
How did you develop that skill?
Kung bata pa ako na na-realize ko na pala ako yung magandang touch. Yung feel. And dinevelop ko na yun. Practice lang ng practice doon.
He stays after practice every day and works on his shooting, even though he's already a good shooter. That's probably the reason why he is a good shooter. It's not normal, believe me. You know, when you come out of the arena and there's 200 people waiting for him to sign autographs, that's not a normal occurrence. Well, I've seen it with Sonny Jaworski.
I guess, para sa akin kasi, importante lang talaga manalo eh. So talaga mapanalo yung school namin ng isang championship. And for me, I'll do whatever it takes to give us a championship. Kung kailangan ko mag-sport ako. Pero kung hindi naman kailangan, papasok na lang ako. Bibigyan ko sa mga ibang players namin.